Hello guys, you are welcome once again. Let me show you a simple way you can prepare chicken sauce and rice for your crush. This recipe is dedicated to all crushing women and crushing gentlemen. Stay with me as I take you through. Hello lovely people, you are welcome once again. Here is Mothers Without Helpers YouTube channel. We cook and we chat. Today we are going to prepare chicken sauce and plain rice. I have named this recipe crush recipe, so we don't have enough time to waste, so we grated everything, that is ginger, garlic and onion. We allow it to fry for some 5 seconds and we added chicken breast. Remember, this quick meal is for your loved one or someone you are crushing on, so you don't need to add too much spices, but you can make it hot. So we added a little bit of natural spices, salt and maybe chili powder, a little bit, so that the person will feel it as he eats. So you allow it to cook with your all-purpose flour, and later on you add your chopped vegetables. You can testify for yourself. Of all vegetables, the ones I like most is tomatoes and onion, so I added some at the latter part of the recipe, so you can see for yourself. It is looking yummy. You can do this anytime, anywhere, so quick and easy with your grater. Respectfully, you are invited. If you like this video, please share, like, subscribe and tell us what you think at the comment section. Your friend Oba Perfia. I like to love and to be loved. See you in our next video. Bye.